it's me once again. By the way, my name is Mixie. For this video we will mix teal color, matte latex mix for interior, concrete wall. Teal is a light green and blue color. Its name comes from a bird. A teal shade is a perfect balance. A green tinged blue that evokes a sense of calm and restfulness. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the notification button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you! Our client order 1 liter teal shade named Faded Awning, matte latex for interior, concrete wall. Okay, let's start by pouring at least 50% of matte latex white. Then, we put acrylic color phthalo green. Let's also put acrylic color phthalo blue. Then drop a little acrylic color black. Stir the paint very well to come out the color result. Okay, let's compare. Oh, it's more darker and bluish. We have to add more white and acrylic color raw sienna to achieve the greenish shade. Then drop acrylic color black to lower the brightness. Okay, let's compare again if it's the same already. Yes, it's almost the same. We just have to add more until it's fully 1 liter. It becomes bluish again, so we have to add matte latex, white, acrylic color raw sienna, and acrylic color black. Stir the paint well. Okay, let's see if we got the same color. to the client chosen sample. It's a little more darker. We just to light the color slightly by adding more matte latex white, ochre color raw sienna, and ochre color black. Okay, let's compare it now. Yes, we got the same shade already. Mixing accomplished. If you liked our video, don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our more paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.